Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Palmai token. Now just I think yesterday or the day before I saw this token trending, actually in like the top 3 trending tokens on CoinGecko. And then today they just announced that the Palmai token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, February 24th. We're going to go over the information on the Palmai token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their official webpage at palmai.tech. Over there you can find a full white paper. You can find a roadmap, LP farming, information about the token, Medium articles, Twitter, Telegram. They have a bot you could use, all sorts of cool stuff over there. So this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. So there's a max total supply of 100 million tokens. They already have 3,888 holders. Token price is around 44 cents per token. This token's actually up 6% right now. There's 9 decimal places on this token. Fully diluted market cap is $43.7 million and circulating supply market cap is $35 million. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 24th at 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Palmai, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, on Mexc Global, they have the token listed as Palmai, all one word, but the actual ticker symbol is just Palm. And that is because there's been other tokens in the past come out with the same ticker symbol, Palm, so that's to distinguish between the two. So Palmai, all one word on Mexc, but if you were to look this token up on their Etherscan, ticker symbol is Palm. Now they have a Telegram at Palm Ethereum that has 5,417 subscribers on there, so check that out. And as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here on the screen at Palmai ERC, blue verified checkmark, 228 tweets. Just joined in November 2023, brand new project, and they have 9,722 followers. So PalmX is the utility token for Palmai, a multi-platform AI chatbot. Palmai focuses on developing on-chain AI integrations along with real-world use cases and utilities that generate revenue for holders. So the total supply is 100 million tokens. Circulating supply is 79 million due to the burned percentage, which is 21%. Liquidity, 75%, 75 million tokens of the total supply is provided to trading to make sure that people can always buy and sell Palm tokens easily. Reserve tokens is 5%, 5 million tokens of the total supply is kept aside for future opportunities, like being listed on central exchanges like Mexc Global. And burnt tokens, 20%. 20 million tokens of the total supply will be burnt. Now they have a 3% tax for buying and selling Palm tokens. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you will have to set your slippage somewhere around 3%. There is going to be gas fees as well, so just be aware of that. And how the 3% tax is split up: 1%, a third, goes towards funding ongoing development of the artificial intelligence chatbot on Telegram, ensuring that it remains up to date and effective. And then marketing tax: 1% of the tax is used to promote Palm tokens to increase its visibility and adoption. And lastly, staking tax: 1% is directed towards ensuring there's always enough Palm available for trading. So the Palm AI project stands at the intersection of advanced artificial intelligence technology and blockchain, offering both mass adoptive utility bots that have the use cases from everyday life to deep realms of Web3, and tailored white-labeled bot solutions that cater to diverse needs of individuals, groups, businesses, and projects. Our projects is about creating practical, customizable AI tools that the aforementioned interest groups can integrate seamlessly into their existing modes of usage, namely platforms. This is called multi-platform integration, and we view this project as a single entity that adopts the needs of users, the latest advancements in AI, and ever-changing blockchain-related technologies. The sustainability of adapting to these needs is secured by the talented team with hundreds of artificial intelligence product development behind them for multiple platforms, namely on big platforms such as X, Discord, WhatsApp, Shopify, and Telegram. To gain outreach, the project maintains free-to-use adapted assistant bot solutions on most of these platforms for user growth and showcasing. When clients have a reference point that is not only working but also trusted by users already, the deal for a custom solution is halfly sealed. Secondly, the sustainability of providing these solutions both now and long-term for users is guaranteed by automated pipelines of both deployment and development. Users can configure their custom solutions to the accuracy of as if they were writing the source code themselves. The deployments, Docker management, and customer service pipelines are overwhelmingly automated, allowing anyone to execute their idea in just a few simple clicks in just a few short minutes. And thirdly, the continuance and the overall supported life cycle of all project solutions by the project is made secure by the project funding that is gained from these three sources: the revenue generated by the taxes of the tradable Palm token on the Ethereum mainnet, the revenue generated by the business model of Palm AI, and private funding from the development team. Now you can read more about this project by going over to palmai.tech. They have links to a white paper, their bot, RevShare, socials like Medium, Telegram, Twitter, chart, a link to Uniswap, and a DEX aggregator, and you can check all that out. And there's a big button right at the top that says use the bot if you want to try it out. Check it all out, palmai.tech. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow, February 24th. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.